Turn your origami paper over. Fold it in half. Open it up, and fold it the other way. Open it again, and fold it into a triangle. Open it one more time and make another triangle fold. Fold the corners toward the center. Flip it over, and fold to the middle again. Do the same. Fold it to the middle. Then, fold it toward the middle line. Fold the other side the same way. Open the paper, and turn it around. Then, fold it toward the middle line. Open the paper. Fold the corners along the crease. It should look like a box. Flip the box over. Gently press the middle. Press it firmly while shaping it. Wow! It looks like a little book. If you use a big 26 centimeters piece of paper, you can make a book this big. On this channel, we share fun drawing and craft videos for kids. Be sure to subscribe and check out our next video. See you next time.